Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Turn almost any photograph into a laser engravable idea because I've taken all the color out of the picture. So we're going to take this picture, do it again. I'm going to go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap and put it at 500 dots per inch. The higher the dots, the better you're going to do. Then I'm going to go to effects and adjust and go down to desaturate. And basically that's going to turn it and you could play around with this. I haven't done too much of this because I have PhotoGray that does my pictures, but this I think would work. Then go to effects, go down to color transformation and halftone. And it's going to do it already. And if we zoom in, every one of those dots would print, and the closer the dots are going to be darker. Now this would be if you're going to engraving on something white, and it's going to engrave the black. We could. There's really no color in this, but my suggestion would be to take all the colors and turn them to 0, and then take your black and maybe up it up to make them really stand out. And then let's look at this, and then change the maximum radius diameter. You would just have to play around with it, but that's going to engrave. And it's just going to be dot. So maybe even smaller dots would work better. So like wherever her white eyes, it's going to be less. And just play around with it. And my suggestion when I do something like this, and I don't know how it's going to work, I'm going to take, and I'm going to delete this one. Let's say this is the only one we have. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of it. And I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to make sure it's selected. You want to make sure it's selected, and then take your crop tool, and let's crop out her eye. And then run that job, because you're only wasting something 2 by 2 almost, and just see how it looks on your laser. And then if it works, try running it. Now, this particular picture, it would be better if there was no background, but this is going to engrave black. Anyway, just give that a try sometime if you want. Thank you for watching.